Take command of the road in the 2012 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, four-passenger truck is still under 75,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, tilt steering wheel, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.